Hello everyone. First and foremost, I'd like to extend my congratulations to the Photomator team for earning the Mac App of the Year title. Their accomplishment is well deserved. Today, I'm excited to delve into Photomator's latest feature, HDR support. QR codes often struggle in challenging conditions, especially in low light. So in this video, I'll demonstrate a straightforward method to convert a standard SDR QR code to an HDR QR code using Photomator's Smart HDR feature. But before we dive into the tutorial, let's briefly discuss third-party monitors and HDR support in macOS. This is crucial information, especially if you don't own an expensive MacBook with an XDR screen or a Pro Display XDR. Enabling HDR on third-party monitors can lead to a significant loss in color vibrancy for SDR content. Even manufacturers advise activating HDR only when viewing or editing HDR content in full-screen mode. The situation is less than ideal. While there's a minor improvement trick for enhancing HDR images on third-party monitors, it's just a temporary fix. If you're interested in learning more about this trick, let me know in the comments. By the way, this video is also in HDR. Ensure that your YouTube player is set to play HDR content. You should see an HDR label on the video quality cogwheel. If you're not seeing it, make sure you enabled it under display settings. Now, back to the primary focus of this video. To create a QR code on your Mac, I personally use a shortcut, which you can download from the description below. The shortcut generates a QR code from the active Safari window. Next, import the SDR image into the Photos library. I use Photos for preview purposes, demonstrating that it also supports HDR. Launch Photomator and click on the HDR button in the upper right corner. As you can observe, the image becomes noticeably brighter. For comparison, I'll duplicate the SDR image and place it next to our HDR image in the Photos library. The difference between HDR and SDR QR codes is huge. With this HDR enhancement, your QR code will remain detectable even in low-light scenarios. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or would like more information, feel free to let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.